Hey, what's up, everybody? Cheers. I'm going to have quite a lot of this now because I don't normally do these trade recap. Well, I've done my trade recap already, so I don't normally do an update, but this one's a doozy, so I have to. I've just done the last update, and we'd had a great, absolutely fantastic day. One of the best, my best ever trading days. I've had my best ever trade, like biggest and best ever trade. And I've just had a very quick after hours trade on earnings with Amazon. And that's taken me beyond my best ever trading day. So I had to do an update because my best ever trading day. It's the best day ever.
It's the best day ever.
Of course it is. So what's happened? Let me just have a quick summary. So Amazon coming into the close, very up and down. I mean, you can see this. It's kind of choppy. It's quite a bit of a range on it. 950 to kind of 1085, whatever it was here. So you can see high of day was 1085 here. So that was the number I was watching. It's a bit like trading the opening bell with earnings. You're looking for the high of day at the same way as a key level, and 1085 being the high of day is what I was looking for. I managed to trade this. I got 1088. As you can see here, little marker there. It moved up. So as it broke the high of day, I pulled the trigger. In there, managed to get 5,000 shares, very quick fill. But the good thing with Amazon and a lot of these high cap stocks is they're very liquid. You can get very quick fills. You can go in with big size. I've not got full leverage, but I've got 2x leverage, so I could afford to take 5,000 shares. Not a problem. Take 5,000 shares here, and I was able to then trade it. And look at that, it just shot right away up on the next minute. I'm kind of sat there laughing, and I had it recording, but I wasn't recording the screen. I was recording my face like an idiot. But so unfortunately, I didn't record this trade. But there you go. It just shot up. It did pull back slightly first and foremost. So it pulled back about $1.75. So the fact that I had such a cushion on the day, I was happy to hold that. I was happy to. I mean, it was very quick anyway, so it wasn't that I was planning on it dropping down kind of $1.50, $1.75. I was happy to hold that, and it then just shot up, went up to 120, a little bit of a pullback. Then it went up to 121. I got out partially here at kind of 119. And then so I took half off, and then it continued on the way up, and then carried on going up, and then it started to stall. So when it started to stall, it wasn't going anywhere. I decided to get out 122.30, and for the remainder of the position, and that was me done. It was very quick trade, and away we go. And now I'm glad I did get out up there, because look, Amazon right now is. Pull this back here, and you can see it's trading at 118. It's pulled that back down to kind of 116 plus change, 116.74, and it's probably going to sell out. If I wasn't so heavily up on the day, I'd probably short this now. See if I can get some short, but I'm not going to. Amazon, we might even get a double bottom here, and then a move back up to further highs. I don't care. I've had the best day ever.
It's the best.
And 132k. So I've just imported that trade into into TraderView as well. So let's have a quick look at where that puts me on. Where that puts me on the month. So looking at this now, in terms of 132, just seeing that in the stats is just magic. Here, cheers again, because wonderful day, best day ever. So there you go. So 132. But what does that look like in terms of days and times? Month, somebody said in the Discord. So whilst I was trading, not after, but while I was trading top financial, I was up there in getting very close to the best trade ever, and then I got caught in a halt, and I moved my stop up so that I was guaranteed to have my best ever trade, biggest ever trade, but also my best ever trade. The way I traded it was great. Even if I do say so myself, I mean, I'm just a fat guy on the internet. Look, this is clear evidence that I don't know what I'm doing. I know I'm doing it well. Anyway, someone was saying in the Discord, I don't remember Omar or something, that I will have the best month ever. Now, I had a phenomenal month in March, 245k. So it was a long way off that. I was like, okay, I would need 100. I'd need to have 100k to have my best ever month. Or tomorrow, Friday. The chances of that happening, minuscule. I've only ever had one 6-figure day, and that was in October 2021. DWAC and PUHN both running up. I was trading them and the warrants at the same time. Look, that was a big day. But after today, after trading, I had my best ever trade and got very close, over $80,000 to start off. And what's kind of amusing is, first glance, of course, when the trades settle overnight, I'll find out. But first glance, the commissions and charges and the likes aren't that much, because I've not been really going in with huge size, or I've not taken huge amounts of trades. I've just been letting the trades run on average size. So my actual fees and charges aren't that much either today, which is kind of amazing. Anyway, that being said, you can see here, best month ever last month, 245k. Now, as a result of that Amazon trade, as a result of the tops trade earlier, for the large part, but also the Amazon trade, almost $50,000 on Amazon, 49,000. We've got $200,000. So an outside chance, if I have another good day tomorrow, I could have my best month ever. No, I'm not expecting that. I don't often get kind of 45k days. They're an extreme rarity. I've had a couple. I could probably count them on one hand, the amount of days I've had over 40k. It just seems that over the last 6 months, I've probably had more than I would have had before. But look, they are an anomaly. To have two in a row just doesn't happen. So look, I'm happy with my second ever best month. I'm happy with my best ever trading day. I just thought, quick trade update. You deserve to know. You've been following me. You've been following this journey, and fair play to you guys. I probably still wouldn't be doing it the same way without you guys. So come back tomorrow. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button, by the way. And if you haven't watched the earlier recap, go and watch that and hit the thumbs up button as well. I'm going to have a drink. I'll probably have more than just a drink. But look, enjoy your evening, guys. I'm definitely going to enjoy mine. And I hope to see you an hour before the market opens tomorrow. Take it easy. See you soon.